Yeah, hi Roman. It's Mark at FMAV. Okay, yeah, basically I'll tell you what I've actually done to your system there. Yeah, so basically what we've done is obviously I've repaired the ECU for you. Okay, so you know you can see it's all working there. So I've replaced the ECU. Well, no, I've repaired the ECU for you. The CD wasn't working as well, so I've replaced the laser in there for you. And also this light here was not working, so I've replaced that for you as well. Put a new light in there for you. So yeah, you're pretty good to go on that now. It's a nice clean unit. It's got no marks or anything on it. So I'm sure you're going to be very happy with that. You have got a 6-month warranty on the work that we've done. Okay, so if you do get any problems with it within 6 months, that will cover the laser. Okay, that will also cover the ECU, and obviously the light. Obviously I can't guarantee anything else because I've not done anything else, but I've given it a good look over, and it's a good clean unit. You know, it is a good clean unit, and you know they're definitely worth repairs doing that for you. So yeah, I'll get that boxed up today, and I'll get that out today for you. So yeah, thank you ever so much for your business, and I hope you're staying safe and everything is good. So thank you ever so much for your business, and I do appreciate it. And like I say, if you ever need anything else, just give us a shout, and you know we'll be more than happy to help you on anything, you know, Bang & Olufsen wise. Thanks again.